Nihon Yokoso!
We tackle about the global influences in Japan, including the
Food and cultural influences.
media and pop cultural influences. Hello guys, this is Takoyaki in the Philippines, influence in country Japan.
And also, takoyaki in Japan. It's bowl-shaped Japanese snack made in a wet flour, based butter, and cooked in a molded pan.
Ito ay patok na patok at sikat na pagkain sa Japan. Hindi lang sa Japan, kundi sa iba't ibang bansa. It's feel delicious. It's good. Thank you, Japan.
Hello guys, it's Japan. Alam nyo ba ito? Ito ang tinatawag nilang sushi. Isa rin ito sa patok na pagkain sa Japan. Pwede din ito sa nagda-diet dahil ang lahat ng sushi ay gawa sa seafood, eel, squid, yellowtail, salmon, tuna at saka iba pang masustansyang pagkain. Yun lang. Salamat po.
Media in Japan is just like in every country. They use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and also TV networking.
Ito ang tanyag na ipinapakita sa Japan at ang pop cultural influences. Napanood nyo rin ito? Ito ay ang mga cartoons na pinanood namin noong bata pa kami. Ito ang Naruto at Pikachu at galing ito sa Japan.
Media in Japan. This is connection of our video. According to research, survey conducted in Japan from October to December 2021, 78 respondents use commercial television as a source for news. 78% lang daw ang kanilang ginamit o ang mga respondents 78% lang ang gumagamit ng commercial television. Commercial television was the most commonly used news source, followed by Japan's public broadcaster NHK and printed newspapers. Ang commercial television daw ay ginagamit nila as a source news. Doon sila kumukuha para ma-print nila yung mga balita na kanilang gusto, just like the printed newspapers. Doon nila kinukuha sa commercial television. Hi guys! In addition, mayroon silang food na sikat at kanilang ginagawang ulam, ulam or sabaw, just like that. Ito ay tinatawag na cuisine. Cuisine ay pinakamasarap sa kanila. Ito ay sikat sa kanila. At ang kanilang mga pagkain, Japanese food, is a great influence by Chinese at mga Koreano. Siguro ito ay masarap. Hindi lang cuisine ang na-influensahan ng mga Chinese at Koreano, kundi at ang iba't ibang mga pagkain. And also, everywhere in Japan, people bow to show their respect. Kahit yung mga tao magkita, katulad ng may bisita, magbabaw sila to show the respect. The lower they bow, the more respect they have for the person. Siguro pag mababa o mas mababa pa yung bow nila, ito ay mataas na opisyales, high official. siguro sa kanila pag nagkita sila, they show respect. Yung pinakamababa na bow sa mga opisyales na mas mataas sa kanila. And that's all. Thank you. This is all about Japan Global Influences. Bye.